punta kami sa mga kahayupan. So, tingnan natin kung anong meron sa mga hayop. So, nandito. Mamaya na lang po, oh. Message na lang po ako. So, good morning, good morning. Andito na tayo sa Cebu Safari. O, kanya-kanya ang bayad na lang doon. Bayaran mo muna si Mama, tapos satin natin. Sumama ka sa kanila. Pakita mo yung ID. Sige, sige. Erom! Picture ba muna? So, tignan natin kung anong meron dito sa Sabana. Ano pala? Safari Tour. Entrance. Checking. Okay na po. So, let's check. So, punta kami sa entrance. Magkakaalaman kung sino ang magbabayad at magkano ang bayad. Let's go! Munchkin! Ayun. So, kanya-kanya munang bayad, pamilya. Dito, ang senior. Dito si Mama. Ken, dito si Mama. Dated na parking fee nila. 20% sa discount. Si Munchkin ay may bayad na. 50%. So, okay lang yan. Enjoy na lang natin to.
Sa akin,
20% discount. Shall si Munchkin Toot makakakita ng tiger. Ay, si ate, oh. Ay. So, let's go. Tingnan natin. Pagsakin na natin.
Proceed, sir.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Ano ang gagawin? Yan, sakto tayo. Paano? Dadalhin natin yung stroller. Let's go. Diyan tayo sasakay. Sakay na. Oh. Dito kami sa tram. Ayan yung paikot na tram. Munchkin Toot. Yeah.
Hi, good morning.
Ito ang per stop. Aviary Xena. Daw. So maghanap tayo ng mga kaibunan. Let's go. So, ayan. Yun nga. May ibon. Ayan. Tingnan natin mga ibon. Oops, so pasok tayo sa kuweba.
Kuweba. Tuan. Saglit ako. Ako yung pili na. Baka nung picture ko. Ayun, lakat eh. Smile. Wait. No!
Ikaw rin, ma? Sino pa?
Pagkaiwalay kami ayos.
Kayong dalawa?
May isang souvenir.
Ayun, sabihin niyo to. Bawal pa si Munchkin.
Ito si Mabi ay.
Dalawang kubaw.
Dalawang kubaw. Dalawang binyan.
Sabi na. So yan, mga nagpipidig sila. Ay, mukhang puno.
Hey, ito sa'yo na lahat.
Daming birds, anak. Dada, daming birds. Ay, daming birds po.
Faye.
Mama,
Naniga si Faye.
dami pong birds.
Doon tayo pa.
Ayan, dami pong birds.
Ay, pusa ka. Harap ka dito.
Dami pong... Ay, ito ulit. Si Munchkin.
Ayaw na? Yes! Asan na?
Maharap ka dito. Dito yung picture mo sa likod.
Ay, sino? Ay, doon kasi.
Kasi meron pa sayang naman. Ayan.
Tita.
Takot ikaw? Ikaw na rin.
Ouch! Ah! Ay,
Pasok natin kay Munchkin.
Halika. Ito, may ano. Mami, halika na. Ay, sambok mo. Bigay mo na doon. Bigay mo doon.
Sino rin?
Yan, wala na.
Ano niya si Marvin?
No more.
Yung ibang mismo gusto mo?
Munchkin na, dali Munchkin. Uwi ko na yan. Munchkin na.
Mati.
Swerte yan.
Swerte ya. Hindi, kamoy lang naman. Okay lang. Okay, tapos namin sa mga ibon. Hindi namin ako sa amin pupunta. Let's go!
Wala ko
Greet ka sa
sasabihin.
mga fans mo.
Hi, fans.
Anong masasabi mo ngayong birthday mo? Nandito ako sa Cebu.
Very happy
Bakit?
because of my
Ba't ba nag-English ka?
Ay, nag-English na. Never mind.
Ikaw, ano masasabi mo kay Mamila?
English ka. Wow.
Bye! Bye-bye kay Mamila. Bye!
Blow a kiss.
Blow a kiss kay Mamila.
Where's your nose? Nose! Namumula na siya.
Let's go to the tiger. African lion. Pantera rar. Let's go.
Sir, wala lebat sa gilid sir, kay happy atong road basi maipit ang kids, sorry ma'am.
Okay, let's go. Sasakay kami sa tram.
6 to 7 each row po, 6 to 7 each row.
6 to 7 each row.
Okay.
I'm good here. Alrighty. So, eto, dito tayo sa gate. So, baliktad na ngayon.
Are we all ready ma'am sir?
Yes!
Mabuhay, good morning everyone. Welcome to White Lion Safari. I am Kenji and I will be your tour guide for this ride. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated while the tram is moving. Please don't extend your fingers outside of our tram. And please keep a secure hold on our grab bars. And lastly, please avoid using flash photography during this tour. So it's okay to take some pictures and videos from there, but please no flash effects for our safety.
Okay.
Here inside, we have 3 lions. They were bred and raised in captivity from France. All males. They are siblings and they are turning 10 this year.
Wow.
Yes. Also, that's why they are sleeping right now. Because lions, they are nocturnal animals, ma'am sir. And also, they rest up to 20 hours per day.
Next stop. Dito tayo sa mga camel. Yung camel. Ha? Hindi, ito lang tayo. Dito lang. So, ito, camel lang.
Makita na natin to sa ano. Diba?
Ang baho. So, yan. Camel. Yan, camel. Baka, ay, kabayo na may, ano, buwit. Picture mo yan ako.
Parang hindi.
Ano yan? Balahibong camel. Birds aviary. Kung saan. Wala lang, maraming birds. Flamingo. Wow, bird! Wow, bird! Ano anak? Wow, bird! Mami, picture mo na kasi yung nanay nito. Bird, bird. Flamingo. Mami, picture mo sa Martin.
Pokemon yan.
Si Psyduck.
Ay, si Psyduck.
Psyduck.
Munchkin ah.
Picture mo si Maxi. Hi, mga ibon.
Ba't puro ako to?
Oo, basta iliyan mo yung sarili mo.
Dapat ikaw.
Bilis na, ikaw na. Magsalita ka dyan. Ibibigay sa'yo yung parang. Magsalita ka na.
Ah, ayan na mga camel.
I-display mo yung mga lagi.
Camel ba yan? Oh, mababangong camel. Oh, lolo yan.
Mabuhay! Good morning, dear tourists! I'm your tour guide, Ira, and welcome to African Savannah. Now, so first, as you can see, those group are named James Buck or Oryx Gazelle. Maybe remember the movie Peppa Pig? They are called as Madame Gazelle. And also, they are known as the King Kalahari Desert because they can go without water for a while by getting moisture from the plants. Our key highlights in the savannah, those are the plain zebra. Common zebra. Yes, our plain zebra have a black skin with a white stripe and their stripes are unique. Like our fingerprint, no two animals having the same patterns. And by the way, they are standing while they sleeping and open their one eye to help them to alert if there was a danger, like predators.
Oh, parang ganyan.
And also, the black one is the male and the brownish one is the female. Yes, it looks like a cow, but those are the eland antelopes. They are the largest antelope species in the world. They can weigh approximately 400 to 1,000 kilograms and stand over 5 feet. By the way, the largest one or the biggest one is the male and the other one is the female. And also the smallest one is our baby eland, 5 months old. By the way, female eland can produce milk up to 7 liters per day and more nutritious than the cow's milk. Kudu. Once again, they are the greater kudu, the longest and largest horned antelope, and they are known as becoming motionless when they sensing danger. Donkey, but those are the water buck. Yes, water buck are known as recognizable with their rough coat, long shaggy hair under the throat, and a distinctive white color around the throat. Also in this area, you can see the group of blue wildebeest. Blue wildebeest known as the clown in the savannah due to their peculiar meeting seasons dances. By the way,
Ayan na naman sila.
once again, our key highlights in the savannah, those are the plain zebra. By the way, that smaller one, that was a 5 months old baby zebra. That's all for our African Savannah adventure. Up next is some guided tour or walking tour.
Mga SK. Yun lang. So, they are so tipid lang. So, yan, yung mga crocodile. Let's go. Dami nila. Next is, ito, malalaking turtle. Meron dito turtle. Saan ang braso ko? Paikot lang pala yan, turtle. Ngayon sa Hacienda Luwilier. Diyan, nandyan yung mga alahas. So, ito ang mga giraffe. That is so big. Ang laki ng giraffe. Rico. Giraffe. So, yan. Ang meron dito.
Homo, ano yan? Nasaan na siya?
Ay, bakit may dyan sa rock, ah?
Pucha, may El Morales din to.
Tay, tinan mo yun.
So isa to sa mga main attraction dito sa Safari Cebu, ang bird show. 1:45 siya dito pero titingnan nyo ang dami ng tao agad. So para may magandang spot. So I'm not sure kung mabibidyoan ko pa yung ibang footage dito pero ayan yon, bird show siya dito. So let's go. Tingnan natin kung maganda. Namnamin na lang namin. Baka hindi namin pakita para pumunta rin kayo dito sa Cebu. Ako lang gagastos. Let's go. Yun, we're done watching the bird show. Promise, sulit. Maganda yung ending. Hindi ko na na-videoan para may thrill pa sa inyo para pumunta dito. Well, sa Cebu. Ang last stop namin ay ito. They're going to feed the white tiger. So, ayan. Papunta siya dito, the white tiger. And I think that's all for today. That's our safari tour. Cebu Safari Tour. Let's go. Bye-bye.